Hey friends, we're inside Instagram today, and I want to show you how to use filters. It's actually super simple. Let's jump into it right now. Okay, so when we are inside Instagram, obviously I'm on my iPhone. We've allowed access to our camera through Instagram. And what we want to do is add some filters. And so again, this is going to depend on the type of content that you want to use. Today, we'll actually be making a reel and using filters within the reel. So what we're going to do is on the top right-hand corner, we're going to click on that plus button, and this is going to open up some of our media that's currently on our phone. Now, again, you have to give access to Instagram to access your media. Now, at this point, we can go down to the very bottom and we can choose the type of content that we want to create. Again, we're going to be focusing on reel today. So I'm going to select the reel option. Now, this is going to open up my camera. This is my front-facing camera. You can see I'm looking at my desktop. I've got my computer, my little Yeti coffee mug. And basically, we want to just maybe record what's in front of the camera here. Now, what we want to do, though, is add a filter. And so what we're going to do is we're going to look on the left-hand side of the screen, and we have a number of different white icons there. What we're going to focus on is the second from the top, which looks like 3 different stars. Let's click on that. And now we can open up a bunch of different filters that are here and available for us. And friends, there are tons. As you can see, I can just scroll through all of these ones that are available. We can actually click on trending, and this will allow us to bring up some potential trending ones that a lot of people are using. We can also go to Reels or Appearance and select a whole bunch more. So maybe on here, we want to go to, I don't know, golden balloon maybe. Let's try this. And as you can see, it changes up at the top and you get kind of a preview of what things will look like. Let me do Wibble, and that's gonna, really make things kind of crazy there. We can click on Luma. Let's see what that does. As you can see, that kind of highlights some specific areas. So again, some super fun things to work through here. Once you're happy with what you have, we can actually just swipe down. That will bring us back up into this area. And then you can go ahead and click on that bottom middle button to start recording and capture what you have in front of you. That's the basics of how to start using filters. Try them out, see if you can find something fun that you really like. And then subscribe. Stay tuned. We're making a ton more of these tutorial videos. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button for us if this has helped. And we'll see you again on the next one.